Do you want to be able to fix any TikTok bug? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can actually fix any TikTok bug that you're currently experiencing right now. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do, you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, or at least see these 4 or 3 alternatives. Now click on settings and privacy in here instead, and then you should be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click on report a problem. So click on report a problem, and now you should be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now, as you can see, there's actually a couple of alternatives in here for us to choose. So for example, let's say that you have some problem on your account, and maybe you can't edit your profile, for example. So just click on editing profile. You're unable to change your username. Let's take this one. Now you're going to take no in here, and then click on need more help. You should now be taken to TikTok help desk. You're going to write to them like this: report a problem. So write to them, report a problem, then send it to them. And then you're going to click where it says submit a ticket in here. And then you're going to write exactly what kind of problem that you're facing. So for example, I'm not able to change my TikTok username. I need help to fix this. Now click on submit. And then what will happen now is that you will need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to be able to see what you have actually written to them, and then they will get back to you, and hopefully that specific bug will now be able to be fixed for your account. So that is basically exactly how to fix any TikTok bug, because you need to firstly submit to TikTok support, write exactly what's wrong with your account, and they're the ones that can actually help you to fix that bug.